Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Feel your energy settle into your legs and feet. Imagine roots flowing out of your feet and down into the center of the earth, where they wrap around a large, beautiful pink crystal, anchoring you to the center of the earth, allowing you access to the earth's energy. Become aware of your chakras. Feel the front of your chakras, which is about being present in the world, taking action, and showing up. Now focus on the back of your chakras, which is where you can access the power of your chakras and connect to your intuition, guidance, and spirit. See yourself leaning back into a waterfall of divine light and grace. It's the flow of life force and unconditional love. So as you lean back, you invite the front of your chakras to relax and release all of the excess energy they are holding. They don't need to work so hard anymore. Feel this beautiful energy of grace flowing down your back, powering up the back of your chakras, healing and supporting your body. Breathe in this divine support, unconditional love, comfort, peace, and purification. When we allow ourselves to lean back into this waterfall of divine grace, we are surrendering the front body, which is our ego consciousness, into the back body, which is about our spirit and listening deeply and being in tune. It nourishes the backside of our chakras and invites our chakras to balance now between the front and the back. Just by allowing the back of our chakras to open, the front can come into balance. So we allow this beautiful divine grace to flow in. And every time you breathe this waterfall of grace down your back, imagine that this is the love you are giving yourself. It is self-love, God's unconditional love. Allow your front and back chakras to come into balance, filling each chakra with love and inspiration. Feel it flowing into your meridians, into every cell of your body, and flowing out into your aura, surrounding you completely, allowing you to access more of the wholeness of you. Keep the awareness of this energy throughout your day. When you are ready, you may open your eyes.